Even in a sealed system, DOT fluid absorbs atmospheric moisture through the hoses, dropping your boiling point by nearly 80 degrees Celsius in just 1 year. Hydraulic braking relies on Pascal's law. Pressure exerted on a confined fluid is transmitted undiminished. By pushing a small master cylinder piston, we generate massive clamping force at the larger caliper pistons based on the area ratio. This system assumes the fluid is incompressible. However, air is a gas and is highly compressible. When air enters the line, your lever energy is wasted compressing that gas bubble rather than moving the pistons, resulting in that dreaded spongy feel. The chemistry matters. DOT fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs water to prevent pooling. However, just 3% water content drops the boiling point drastically. Mineral oil is hydrophobic. Water pools at the caliper, causing immediate brake failure if that water hits 100 degrees Celsius. Many riders attempt a gravity bleed, but this is insufficient. Surface tension causes microbubbles to cling stubbornly to caliper walls. You need the high velocity of a push-pull active bleed to physically dislodge this trapped air. Finally, diagnose correctly before maintenance. If the lever feels spongy, you have air or old fluid. If the lever feels hard, wooden, but you have no stopping power, the hydraulics are fine. Your pads are likely glazed or contaminated. Fluid maintenance is cheaper than a hospital visit.